This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. Our lesson today about solving a multi-step equation. In this tutorial, we'll know how to solve the multi-step equation, some problem-solving question, the consecutive number. And the problem that we have, we need to solve the equation. As we said before, solving an equation, it's mean find the value of the variable which make the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. We said we'll use the inverse operation. The inverse operation of the order of operation. The first one, we have a bracket, then the power, then times or divide, then plus or minus. We said in order of operation, we're moving from up to down. In solving the equation, moving from down to up. So the first operation that we need to find, adding and subtract. There is subtracting here because we have minus 4. So we use the inverse operation, which is adding 4. Then 11x is equals to 29 plus 4, which is equal to 33. And now there is no plus and minus, but we have 11x, which is time. So we use the inverse operation, which is divided by 11, by dividing by 11. So we cancel 11, it's mean x is equal to 33 divided by 11 equal 3. Number 2. 2a minus 6 equals to 4. As we know that is the order of operation, which is a bracket power, times or divide, plus or minus, and we use from down to up. So we start looking for plus and minus. So the first one we have minus by subtracting 6. It's mean we will use the inverse operation, which is adding 6. So 2a is equals 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Then we have 2a equals 10. 2a equals 10. It's mean we will divide by 2 because 2 times a. So we'll use the inverse operation, which is division. So a is equals 10 divided by 2, which equals to 5. Number 3. A plus 7 over 8 equals 5. In this problem, we have addition and division. But if you look at the first one, we have a plus 7 is divided by 8. It's mean a plus 7 inside the brackets. So the brackets will be the last operation that we'll make. So to solve, we start from 8. Because we have a plus 7 divided by 8, so we'll cancel 8 and use multiplication, which is multiplied by 8. So a plus 7 equals 5 times 8, which equals to 40. Now by subtracting 7, so a is equals to 40 minus 7, which equals to 33. Number 4. N plus 1 over negative 2 equals to 15. As we said, number 3, n plus 1 inside the bracket, so we will solve for negative 2 by multiplying by negative 2, because that's written at denominator. So we have n plus 1 is equals to 15 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 30. By subtracting 1, then n is equal to negative 30 minus 1, which is equal to negative 31. And now with the problem solving. We have Hiroshi is buying a pair of water skis that are on a sale for 2 over 3 of the original price. Now we don't know the original price. The original price is a variable. So it will be 2 over 3 times the original price. Let the original price is P or X or any variable. Then he uses a $25 gift certificate. It means the price will be decreased by 25. The total cost before the taxes is 185. It means the price that he pay is 185. What was the original price? Write the equation, then solve the equation. Now we wrote the equation, we need to solve it. So the first operation that we have minus 25. So we will add by adding 25. So 2 over 3 P is equal. So 2 over 3 P equals 185 plus 25. $210. Now we have 2 over 3 to solve it. We use the reciprocal of the fraction. So by multiplying by 3 over 2, it means P is equals divided by 2 equals 105 divided by 2 equals 1. 105 times 3 equals $315. So the original price was $315. Hiroshi is buying a pair of water skis that are on a sale for 2 over 3 of the original price. Now we don't know the original price. So let the original price is any variable, which is 2 over 3 of the original price, which is P. After that he uses a gift certificate with $25. It means the price is decreased by $25. The total cost before the taxes was $185. It means the total cost now will be $185. It means he paid $185. Now we wrote the equation and we need to solve the original price. And we need to find the original price. 2 over 3p minus 25 is equal to 185. We start by subtracting. Now we have subtracting, so we use the inverse operation, which is addition. So by adding 25, it means 2 over 3p. 185 plus 25 equals 210. Now to solve, we use the multiplicative inverse, so it will be 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. So we cancel. It means p is equals 210 divided by 2 equals 105. 105 times 3 equals 315. So the original price was $315. A department of a store has sold 3 over 5 of their formal address, but 10 were returned. Now the store has 62 formal addresses. How many were there? Now we need to find the original number of formal addresses. After that he sold 3 over 5 of the formal address that he has. It means the remainder is 2 over 5 of the formal address. So 2 over 5 of the number, this number is x. After that we have 10 returned back. It means the number of addresses in the store increased by 10 because I got back 10. So it's increased by 10. Now the number, it means that's equal to 62. And we need to solve it. Now we have addition, so by using subtraction, so it will be 2 over 5x is equal to 62 minus 10, which equals to 52. Now we use the multiplicative inverse, which is 5 over 2 times 5 over 2. Cancel. It means the original number was divided by 2 equals 1, divided by 2 equals 26. Then 26 times 5, which is 130. Len read 3 over 4 of the graphic novel over the end of the week. Monday, he read 22 more pages. If he has read 220 pages, how many pages does the book have? At the first, he read 3 over 4 of the graphic novel. So 3 over 4 of the graphic novel, that's I don't know the number, so that the number is x. After that, he increased the number of pages by 22 because he read more 22 pages in Monday. To make all of the number of pages was 220. Now we need to solve by subtracting 22. So 3 over 4x is equals 198. Then multiplied by the reciprocal, which is 4 over 3 times 4 over 3. Then x equals 264 pages.